Crypto Investing for Beginners, a simple guide to get started cryptocurrency. You've probably heard the word buzzing around on social media, in the news, or from friends who claim they made or lost money overnight. But what exactly is it, and should you consider investing in it? If you've ever been curious about crypto but felt overwhelmed by the technical jargon, don't worry. This guide is here to simplify things for you. What is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency, or crypto, is digital money. Unlike the dollars in your bank account, crypto doesn't exist as physical cash. Instead, it lives on the internet, secured by a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a transparent digital notebook where every transaction is written down permanently. No one can erase or change it, and everyone can see it. This makes crypto more secure and less dependent on banks or governments. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, often called digital gold, and Ethereum, ETH, known for powering decentralized apps. There are thousands of other coins, each with its own purpose. Why do people invest in crypto? Crypto investing has become popular for a few reasons. High growth potential. In 2010, one Bitcoin was worth less than $1. Today, it's worth tens of thousands. That kind of growth grabs attention. Accessibility. You don't need a lot of money to start. With just a smartphone and $10, you can buy a piece of Bitcoin. Decentralization. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks, crypto gives individuals more freedom over their finances. Innovation. Beyond money, crypto is fueling new industries like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and blockchain-based gaming. Of course, it's not all sunshine. Prices are very volatile, meaning they can rise and fall dramatically in a short time. That's why it's important to learn before you leap. Steps to start your crypto journey. Step 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your best investment. Learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, cryptos tied to the value of the US dollar. Follow credible crypto news sites or YouTube educators who simplify things. Step 2. Choose a reliable exchange. An exchange is like an online shop where you can buy and sell crypto. Popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for platforms with good security, easy-to-use apps, and educational resources. Step 3. Start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Begin with a small amount. Even $50 is enough to get started. The goal at the start is to learn, not to get rich overnight. Step 4. Secure your investment. You can store your crypto in two main ways: hot wallets, apps connected to the internet, convenient but less secure; cold wallets, hardware devices not connected to the internet, safer for long-term storage. For beginners, leaving a small amount in your exchange wallet is fine, but as you invest more, consider a hardware wallet. Step 5. Think long-term. Crypto prices jump up and down daily. But history shows that patient investors who held Bitcoin or Ethereum for years often saw strong returns. Don't panic if prices drop tomorrow. Instead, focus on where the technology is heading in the next 5 to 10 years. Common mistakes. Beginners make chasing hype, buying coins just because they're trending on TikTok or Twitter, investing more than they can lose. Crypto is risky. Always protect yourself first. Skipping security, not enabling two-factor authentication or using weak passwords. Lack of patience, expecting to become rich overnight and selling too early. Avoid these mistakes and you'll already be ahead of many new investors. The inspiring part: why crypto could change your life. Imagine being part of the internet boom in the 1990s. Early on reaped huge rewards. Crypto today feels like a similar moment in history. It's not just about money, It's about being part of a financial revolution. With crypto, a farmer in Africa can receive payments instantly without a bank. A teenager can earn by creating art as NFTs. A small investor can grow wealth by saving in digital assets. The opportunities are global and inclusive. For beginners, crypto offers the chance not only to invest, but to learn new skills, connect with a vibrant community, and be part of shaping the future of finance. Final thoughts. Crypto investing may sound intimidating at first, but it's simpler than you think. Start small, stay safe, and focus on learning rather than chasing quick profits. The world of digital money is still young, and those who prepare today may benefit tomorrow. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With curiosity, patience, and discipline, you can step confidently into the world of crypto and explore its exciting possibilities.